Hi guys, in this video we will see how to restore your Safari old layout page, such as search bar at the bottom of the page or search bar at the top of the page. You can easily restore after iOS 26 update. You can restore your old Safari layout. Go to settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and go to apps settings, and here look for Safari. Tap on Safari settings. Here scroll down and you will find under tabs 3 options available: compact, bottom and top. This is the new feature added, compact. You can either choose bottom or top, otherwise compact. If you choose top, then your Safari search bar will be at the top of the browser page. If you choose bottom, then Safari page search option will be at the bottom of the page. And if you choose compact after the iOS 26 update, you can also choose compact, otherwise top or bottom. That's all.